Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.